Another day and I'm back with another new video. A lot of people keep looking to buy brand new truly wireless earbuds, right? But these days everybody wants features like active noise cancellation, transparency mode, good quality sound, excellent battery life and more at an affordable price tag. For you people, I have a brand new product in the house. This is Sennheiser's all new Accentum series true wireless earbuds. So till now they had their Momentum series TWS, right? Which is like very premium and also not everybody can afford that. Now this is their very first Accentum series truly wireless earbuds that offers premium level features at an affordable price tag. I'm telling you, right, this model has like A to Z all the features you're looking for. First of all, you're getting hybrid ANC, transparency mode is also there, touch controls as well, and also has like Bluetooth LE audio support with aptX and also LC3 audio codec, not to miss out 28 hours of battery life and plenty of other features. So today in this video, I'm gonna unbox it and share my complete detailed experience and feedback on this model. So make sure to watch it till the end. On top of that, see, I already have the Momentum series TWS and I'm pretty sure I don't think I'll be using this. So instead, I have planned to give this like, gift for a lucky audience, lucky subscriber on the channel. So all you need to do is like this video, guys. Once this video crosses like 3000 likes, I will pick a random lucky subscriber from the comment section of the video and literally give this Accentum True Wireless Premium Earbuds as a gift to him. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video and also share the video with your friends so you can quickly hit the milestone. Anyways, now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new Accentum True Wireless Earbuds from Sennheiser came in this sort of packaging. They're available in two different colors, white edition, black edition. Today we have the black edition in the house for unboxing, and main highlight, as I've told you guys, these TWS also have like hybrid ANC, transparency mode is also there, and also support Bluetooth LE audio with multi-point connect as well. We'll talk about all of those features in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. There's nothing much mentioned on the packaging. As soon as you open it, there you go. At the top side we have some paperwork over here. Just make sure to read that, must be like a user manual. And keeping that aside, these are the buds I was like pretty excited to get my hands on. Sennheiser's all new Accentum True Wireless. Pretty lightweight in the hand. We'll come back and talk about the design, build quality and features in a moment. Keeping that aside, you also have some accessories in the package. A USB Type-C cable for charging. You also get 3 sets of ear tips in different sizes. And lastly, some more paperwork. Keeping that aside, now let me give you like a closer look and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Accentum True Wireless come in a very compact case, pretty lightweight. The entire case with the buds hardly weigh around like 50-52 grams. Very clean and modern design, I would say. You just have the Sennheiser logo at the top side, and build quality is also pretty good. Entire case is made of like polycarbonate material, that too in a matte black finishing, and good thing is it doesn't seem to attract a lot of fingerprints as well over usage. On the front you have a Type-C cable along with a hidden LED status indicator as well just beside that. That's it, there's nothing else. On the bottom side you've got some details about the product. There you go. As soon as you open it, we have our brand new Accentum True Wireless in black edition. Magnetic lid, guys, very nice opening and closing action. Let me just quickly pop them out of the case and show you how they look like. Ah, nice. Sennheiser has said that they've gone for a brand new ergonomic design and very small and compact size. We'll anyhow talk about the comfort and the feel once I get to use them for a couple of days. Keeping that aside, one more feature I forgot to talk about is these earbuds are also IP54 splash resistant as well. Again, mind you, only the earbuds, not the case. And the case also supports key wireless charging as well. That feature is also there. If you have a closer look at the earbuds, similar matte black design just like the case, only the Sennheiser branding at the top side. And I believe you're also getting like dual mics on board for hybrid ANC, and not to miss out, touch control support is also there. What I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to share my experience and feedback on the Accentum Wireless. Alright boys, first of all let me tell you about the comfort and the in-ear feel. The design on this model is actually special. Sennheiser has collaborated with Sonova's hearing aid division to design the whole structure and the whole shape of these earbuds, guys. So they offer like a very ergonomic fit, and when you put them in your ear, right, they blend in very nicely with the structure and feel quite comfortable, especially for longer periods of session. On top of that, I've told you, right, the earbuds are like super lightweight. Each of these buds hardly weigh around like 5.5 grams, and overall fit, feel and comfort experience has been like really good. So before we move on and talk about the active noise cancellation part, first of all let me share you my experience about the sound quality on this model. Let me tell you, Sennheiser's Accentum True Wireless features 7mm true response dynamic drivers and definitely have Sennheiser's signature category sound, guys. If you ask about the frequency response range, range. It is from 5 hertz to 21 kilohertz, and overall audio quality is like really good for the price that you're paying. First of all, let me tell you, Accentum True Wireless are made for like consumer sort of usage, guys, and not oriented for like audiophile sort of usage. If you're an audiophile and you're looking for a true tone, natural sort of sound, right, you might be better off with the Momentum series. Accentum True Wireless have a V sort of frequency curve, and they've given more emphasis on the lower ends and also the higher ends, and because of that, these TWS feel much more lively and produce a bright sort of sound signature. If you ask about the lower ends, as I've told you, the low frequency response, especially the bass, right, it was definitely producing good quality bass and had that nice kick in it. So all the bass heads, if you listen to a lot of pop music and EDM sort of music, right, you will definitely love the sound on this model. If you ask about the high frequency response was nice. It is definitely producing like smooth treble with minimum harshness. As I've told you, it has a bright sound signature. And coming to the mids were also nice. All the dialogues and vocal clarity was fine. But if you actually compare the whole frequency response, right, I felt the lower end and the higher end was slightly clouding the mid frequencies, especially the vocals. Though not to worry, Sennheiser offers like a full custom 5-band EQ using the smart control app, so you can fully tweak it, apply different sort of EQ presets available over there to custom tune the audio as per your preference. And not only that, they also have like a special bass boost option also in the app. So if you want even more bass, right, you can definitely toggle it and enhance the overall experience. I'll leave that up to you. Overall distortion also quite minimum, even if you go up to like 90% volume level, and audio output level was also loud and satisfactory, guys. I didn't need to go beyond like 75%. It was more than enough and sufficient for my usage. One more thing I forgot to mention is Accentum Truly Wireless have Bluetooth LE audio support, which is basically like low energy consumption, guys. It transmits audio from the device to the earbuds in a much more power efficient way, offering much better audio signal. And yes, it does support a variety of audio codecs. AptX support is there, SBC, AAC, and the brand new LC3 audio codec support is also there. Apart from these, if you ask about the Bluetooth connectivity features, now I forgot to mention, but these TWS are actually Bluetooth version 5.3, and again, as I've told you guys, Bluetooth LE audio support is there, Auracast support is also there, and multi-point connectivity is also there. So you can use and pair these TWS with 2 devices at the same time, maybe like your laptop and phone at the same time, and simultaneously like conveniently switch between the audio between these 2 devices. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part, so let me tell you about the active noise cancellation. Accentum True Wireless feature hybrid ANC, and yes, transparency mode is also there. Very easily you can switch between them using the touch controls on your left earbud. A single tap will switch between hybrid ANC to transparency mode. And let me tell you, I've been using these earbuds for the last couple of days, right, and active noise cancellation performance was pretty decent for the price that you're paying. See, first of all, let me tell you, you cannot compare the performance of the ANC on the Accentum series to the Momentum series. Momentum series is like very premium and is performing much better, guys, because I have both the variants at my place, right, so I could notice the difference. But still, the Accentum series was definitely doing a good job in cutting down a lot of unnecessary sounds like, you know, fan noise, AC wind noise, or maybe like outdoor wind noise and these sort of stuff. But you know, the kind of performance and the silence you're getting on the Momentum series, that is totally different. Again, price difference is definitely there, right, so performance difference will also be there, but for this price point, it was definitely satisfactory and will get your job done. Apart from that, as I have told you, yes, you're also getting transparency mode as well. Say for example, if you want to listen to your ambient sounds, or maybe you're traveling somewhere and you're at a station, you want to listen to the announcement or people you're talking to, simply switch on the transparency mode and you can clearly hear what they're speaking or any sort of announcements. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, right, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Battery life is pretty good over here, considering you're getting a lot of smart features including active noise cancellation as well. So on an average, if you're listening to music, maybe say around like 60% audio level, right, with the ANC off, on a single stretch you can easily get around like 7 to 8 hours of battery life, guys. If you actually enable active noise cancellation, then you'll get around like 5.5 to 6 hours of battery life. Not to forget, the case also has like a built-in battery and can offer extra 18 to 20 hours of battery life. So totally you can expect around say 26 to 27 hours of battery life with a full charge. Wait a second, I know you people are curious about the microphone quality as well, right? So let me give you like a quick microphone demo as well. The audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded with the built-in microphone on the Accentum True Wireless, and this is how it sounds like. Hello, check 1 2 3. You can definitely share your thoughts and what do you feel about the microphone audio quality in the comment section down below. Well, that's it, boys. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Sennheiser's all new Accentum True Wireless Earbuds. Really good quality TWS, I'd say. You're getting all A to Z features you're looking for. Comfort level is excellent. Excellent battery life as well. Good quality sound that is fully customizable EQ using the smart control app. Not to miss out, hybrid ANC is also there, and wireless charging support. The list just never seems to end. Now, if you talk about the pricing, right now it is up for pre-order, guys, and you're having a special pre-order price of only around like 12,990 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check out all the details over there. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.